My camera?
Yeah.
No.
There's Starbucks over there.
Upcoming Ohori Park. Dude, did you see the number of people who really love the Starbucks at that?
Yeah. They're just trying to take a picture of it.
What the hell is this?
Oh, this looks like some
Demeter? Isn't that the Greek goddess of?
ice.
Yeah.
This smells like
What is she doing in Japan?
Wait, is it ice?
No. The Greek goddess of ice and winter.
So
Like
I think
winter
the
solstice?
best way is probably go right. So that would be around that.
Like seeing the. What are we doing?
What are you checking out? Well, at least that's what I'm
Yeah.
doing. I'm just checking out.
I just don't want to be in the way of all the people.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, wait. You like heist here or something? Just go
I
get
want
out.
to take a picture right here.
Oh, that bridge?
Yeah.
Where's the bridge? Oh,
It goes across the island and you see another bridge.
look, I work in magic.
Damn it, Luke, you're in my shot.
No real like this, like this.
Yeah. Really dark.
It's really not lighting factor. Is the show. I'm about to sit down for like 2 seconds.
All right, how's this?
To get,
Rule
like,
of thirds, right?
Rule of thirds. Yeah. That
Right, tree, foreground, bridge, primary, cat, thing on the right.
Where's your subject? Right here?
Well, it's only the bridge, but
Works.
hold on. I don't have a
It's actually
auto.
pretty good.
Framing counts.
No, I was talking about
Framing counts.
Pretty good. The picture that you took.
Framing
What
definitely
they call
counts. Where's me?
They call them ties.
I waited until you left.
Yeah, because he needs to have.
You are not the subject. No. Get out of here, non-subject.
I can't actually sit on
Overweight, yeah.
That's funny.
Beware of birds.
Ooh, is this one of those places where like they'll snatch the crap you're eating out of your hands?
I don't think so.
It just had the sign.
Running shakes. I don't know what they were.
Not maybe to help them keep form or something, attract something as they're running.
I don't know.
That's why I get the
All right.
technical points now. 100%. That's right.
Fishing is prohibited.
Because then no one can argue that it's technically wrong. This is a very nice spot.
なんかさ、この間さ、どこに撮り方を教えて誰にもなんかコンクリートで知り合ってそれを
Beware of falling. Falling what?
Say if you maybe like you get to the edge.
Beware of falling. Just falling is when is people not unaware of falling, you know?
That's not a lot, right?